Many people ask how to keep the character in the video while keeping the same background. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you exactly that using ComfyUI and WAN 2.2 video model. Now this tutorial was requested by one of you in the comments of my previous video, which was about motion transfer video using AI models. Thank you for the suggestion. As this is in response to my first motion transfer tutorial, do watch that tutorial first. And now let's move on to this tutorial. The link to download this workflow is given in the description of this video. Download that and paste it in your user folder in ComfyUI. This is the whole workflow that you can see on the screen. If you zoom in, you should start from here, which says node start here, and this basically does the same thing as the previous workflow. That is, it allows you to download these models by clicking in those links. Click here, click here, click here, and then you have to paste those models in the directory given below. Now these are the same models that we used in the previous workflow. So if you have all the models from the previous workflow, you don't need to download them. And if you are watching this for the first time and you need to download these, then watch my previous tutorial where I copy each and every downloaded video and paste it inside the folders. Okay, so I'll just quickly go through this workflow. It's same. Let me open my previous workflow. Yeah, this is the previous workflow where you used a reference video. We'll use the same in this one, and then the character was swapped. The motion transfer was made from the character in the video to the character that we uploaded in the image. So this was the previous workflow. Now in this workflow we are gonna do exactly the same, just a minor difference is we will keep the background given in my original image. Okay, so this is the new workflow, today's workflow, and if you copy and paste it, you can see that I have named it as WAN 2.2 animate 16 fps, replace character and background. The previous one was this, which was only character. The basic workflow is something like this. You upload your image here along with the background. If you want your image with different backgrounds, you can follow my generate unlimited images tutorial using ComfyUI in my channel, wherein you can generate image with different backgrounds and then use it here. And then you have to upload the video. I'll keep the same video, and I'll keep frame load cap as 20, which is I'll use only the first 20 frames of this video. You can keep it as 0, wherein it will take the whole video, but since we have limited graphics card here and limited time, I'll show it using first 20 frames of this particular video, and then the rest of the processing happens all around here, and you will get your final video here. Now there are some optimizations that I did in the previous workflow. I'm not doing that here right now, so I again may get an error, out of memory error, but let's see if we get that. We'll do something like we did in this previous workflow. So you just maximize here WAN video LoRa. So here are the LoRa's. If you're having a hard time using graphics card, you have low graphics card and memory, so decrease the strength from 1 to 0 so that you will bypass these LoRa's. You'll not use these LoRa's and you'll not face memory error, out of memory error, but the quality will be a little lower as it will be compromised. As you can also see, I'm using the quantized Q4 model, and I've given the other links for the models here also. If you have higher graphics card, you can use the second model and third model also. These are in OR, you can use anyone. So that's basic workflow here. Now since I've explained this, let's just try by running this particular workflow here. Run. Okay, so once it's done, you can see the reference image has been uploaded here, and what the stuff that this workflow does is this checks for your face here, and then it checks the motion. So the first 20 frames has this kind of motion that's happening around here. You can see I've got this error. So what I can do is now just go on in here, and the stuff that I said, you can decrease the strength of these LoRa's. So particularly if I say this LoRa PUSA LoRa is a ranked LoRa with 512 ranks, so you can decrease the strength of this LoRa by from 1 to 0.5, and that will help you in processing your video. So once I've done that, I will start this, but rather than just starting from here, what I'll do is I'll stop whole ComfyUI. Let me check. Yep. So I'll just stop the server here, and I'll start my ComfyUI again. Now there are many different methods by which you can start ComfyUI. There are many parameters that you can add after main, python main.py. I'll somehow discuss them later, but I'm not using those parameters. If you use those parameters, you can actually decrease some of the memory usage, and without decreasing the LoRa strength also, you could actually run this workflow, but I'm showing you the other way around also. Okay, so since I have started it, it is showing as reconnected. So now I'll try to run this again. Okay, so I'm running it again. So now I clicked on run. You could see the memory usage. You can see we have received our final video. Let me just job completed. So great. As my OBS recording software was causing a problem of memory, so I switched it off and tried this workflow quite a few times, and I have now lastly I have tried this workflow by increasing the LoRa's as it was earlier, keeping it all as 1 and this one as 0.5. Let me just show you the place here, this node, wherein you could actually compare between these two videos. This node is good, fine. This is very good because you are able to capture motion transfer in any video. You can use your own character. Here I am using my character and I am preserving my background also. I hope you liked the video, and if you liked it, please consider liking and sharing the video, and please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching this video. Do meet me in the next time in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and peace.